All right, so we're gonna make a grilled potato salad here with a vinaigrette made out of lemon juice, some Dijon mustard. We're gonna put some goat cheese in there as well, but let's make the dressing. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do, before I forget, is before I cut the lemons to get the juice out, I'm gonna use a zester and harvest some of the zest off of the outside of the lemon. I always like to say, you buy a lemon, you get zest for free, and there's tons of flavor in the zest. And get the juice. Some Dijon mustard. These are ingredients you're gonna find even in your everyday supermarket. Some lemon. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of honey, just to kind of balance out the mustard and the vinegar. Slowly add some olive oil. We're gonna put the potatoes on the grill in just a second. It's good to have the vinaigrette ready so that you can actually dress it while the potatoes are still warm. It'll just make the potato salad that much better. Chop up some fresh tarragon. And I like the idea of sort of reinforcing the tarragon from the chicken to the potatoes. Remember, we have the tarragon in our salsa verde as well. Some salt and pepper. Let's give this a taste. Very nice. A little more olive oil. It's pretty lemony. It's not a bad thing. All right, we're gonna get our potatoes going. All right, so these potatoes I par-cooked for about 8 minutes. So the one thing about a gas grill, especially for somebody that doesn't have a lot of experience cooking chicken outside, we know that the heat is gonna be even and consistent. A charcoal grill, you're probably gonna get more flavor from the charcoal itself, but it's a little bit harder to control. All right, so I'm gonna cut my potatoes up in quarters. We're gonna get a nice char on the potatoes, make sure that they're cooked all the way through, but we're gonna put them in this basket so that they're easy to kind of get off the grill, and that's the key. If you put these on individually, you're bound to lose a few. Okay, so we're gonna put these back in the bowl for just a second. A little canola oil, some salt and pepper, just to grill the potatoes. We can put them right into our grill basket. Make sure they're evenly distributed. Pop them on the grill. That simple. Nice crusty potatoes. And we have our dressing. What I like to do always is I like to actually dress the potatoes while they're still warm with the dressing. So it's really important to keep the dressing sort of at the ready. All right, so I'm gonna add a little goat cheese and some arugula to this. The goat cheese has that pungent goat flavor, but also gives it some creaminess. A little salt and pepper. And we're just gonna fold it one time. Otherwise, we're gonna wilt the arugula too much, and the goat cheese will actually get a little messy as well. There we go. Beautiful potato salad.